Hello everyone, this is Asmita Pandey. I recently scored a score of 223 in my July FMG exam.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Dutra, graduated from VNU Ukraine, and I recently scored a score of 220 in my recent exam. So let's unbox this rapid revision 6.0 notes.
Bookmarks we get. So we'll now be opening the first notes and see what's inside. Okay, this is for the anatomy, biochemistry, physiology and pathology.
Or 4-in-1.
Yes. Okay, so to begin with, we'll start with the volume 1, which contains anatomy, biochemistry, physiology and pathology. So also adding bookmarks to the important pages that we find. Now let's go through the notes. Oh, on the first page only they've written a quote by Mark Twain that the secret of getting ahead is getting started. At least start.
Yeah.
Motivational. Anatomy first. So look, anatomy totally covered in just 290 pages. And then biochemistry in almost 110 pages. So which makes it very concise and go-to notes in the last resort revision, I would say. Look, there's a PYQ also.
Yeah, they have taken the PYQ of the previous year exams and just mention the exams also that in which year they have been repeated.
Yes, which makes this book like students would really come across the topics that are frequently asked, the questions that were previously important, and now they can revise them multiple number of times.
See, there are some flowcharts also.
Yeah, there are.
Which is the easiest.
Yeah. This makes a visual memory. There are images, colorful images. Also pointers. Pointers reading is easy.
And they have also specified the time in which the video is synchronized.
Yes. Important information. Boxes are also added to highlight the high-yielding points so that the learners can pay attention to the important concepts.
So you can collect all these important points for the last time and just revise those in the last few moments before the exam.
I think at least completing these notes would be very beneficial for you guys. And if you're not looking forward to doing the main videos, doing the rapid revision videos and the lectures and the notes would be beneficial for you.
Yeah, this is a must go.
Must go notes for the last resort revision. Thank you.
Thank you.